Hello everyone, today is July 24th, 2021, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm just doing a quick update on the outside of the house. We actually have our grass today, so they're actually working on the outside, so I don't want to get in the workers' way. But yeah, you can see we have our grass, and they're actually, and they planted the tree as well in front, and all the landscaping, so it's coming along. Let me back up so we can get a better view of this. So we have our grass, that is awesome.